How to change your name on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody. If you're wanting to change your name or username on Messenger, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Messenger and head over to the menu bar in the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And after you do, a menu appears. Now from the given menu, you need to head over to the option that says settings. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be taken to profile section. Now from profile, you need to head over to the option that says username right under active status. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, here you should be finding option that says edit username. You can go ahead and tap on it again. After tapping on it in this section, you need to enter up your username. Go ahead and enter it up here in this section, the username that you would like to create. And once it is done, you can tap on save at the top right corner of your screen. And once you save the changes, your name should be changed on Facebook Messenger. So that's it. That is how you change your name on Facebook Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.